Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk, with the exterior of the Aquafibre 33 Ruby from around 1980. This is the exterior of this boat. It's been all repainted, she's been fully reworked at some point in her life on the inside. You'll see that on the other video. Really nice. Two couple, small family boat. BMC diesel. Flowing good water. Two-pack paintwork, really nice. This boat gleams white. Easy access to the engine and gas locker. Solar panel. That must be a 100-watt solar panel. Probably some of the widest decks I've seen on a boat on a broad cruiser. Absolutely lovely, beautifully safe. Lovely roof area with the side rails. Sliding main saloon roof, as you will see. Sliding entry doors, both sides, one at the helm, one on the starboard side. Good front deck. Nice and safe to operate a boat from. Full screen covers. All matching in black. Boat looks lovely when she's been put to bed. I'm not going to take the screen covers off, so you will see the inside of that from the windscreen when I'm on the interior of the boat. Entry down to the helmway. Black windows. Absolutely lovely little boat this. This will make somebody a very nice cruiser on the river. When you see inside, I think you'll be quite surprised at just how well she's been reimagined. If you'd like further information on this Aquafibre Ruby 33, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.